Why, as a species, do we explore? Because we have to.
I think we explore because it's in our bones.
The reason I'm a planetary scientist is this idea of exploring new worlds, of exploring places that, no human's ever gone before.
Everything I've done is something for the first time. I'm not interested in doing things for the second time.
I think it was the excitement of doing something that hadn't been done before that got me involved.
One of the things that makes humans feel alive is the process of exploration and discovery. And it's something that we start out with when we're infants.
My interest in space started when I was about, I think, 9 years of age.
I had just turned 9 years old.
When I was about 13 years old.
The question isn't, what drives us to do this? We've already been driven to do it since all of human history.
And I thought, there's nothing left to explore. What am I going to do? And now I found something.
Well, Planetary Sciences got open vistas.
We are cosmic detectives.
We go back in time.
We're still exploring. We're always pushing these boundaries.
We've got people out there building robots that are going to explore the farthest reaches of the solar system.
We're getting closer and closer to understanding how we got here.
And by studying our planets, we can understand where to go next.
It really is amazing how far that we've come.
I really feel incredibly blessed to have grown up at a time when the solar system was being unveiled.
Grand Tour turned out to be a whopping success.
Voyager is probably the greatest epic of planetary exploration ever.
For me personally, it has to be Viking.
New Horizons,
Mariner 9,
Juno, Grail,
The Mars Science Laboratory,
Messenger,
With the great Galileo mission and later with the Cassini mission.
Landing humans on the moon.
Just have had the privilege to be part of some of these missions. For me, it's just been incredible. Those discoveries have been there. Those are things that have been going on for billions of years, but we as a human race are just now discovering them.
What really captures the imagination of the public, as well as what keeps the scientists excited, frankly, is the beautiful images.
To actually see those first images coming back scan line by scan line by scan line.
And seeing those numbers on the screen, knowing that they're coming from Mars, was absolutely incredible.
Spectator sport, watching these moons come close and seeing what the heck we were going to see.
people love being amazed. They love being so awestruck that their mouths hang open.
It was one of the most amazing things ever that I've ever experienced.
Now, does that mean that we've got it all figured out now after 50 years? Far from it. We're just beginning.
If we're gonna move out, where do we go? There's so many places. I mean, how can you pick one?
I would love to see us explore the ocean on Europa.
I want to see humans go to Mars.
If we can bring back pristine samples from small bodies, asteroids, comets, that would be very telling.
What are the materials that formed the solar system? What did it look like originally?
I want to know if life exists in our solar system.
Does life exist elsewhere?
That is a fundamental question I'd like that answer to.
Hey, if it started here, why not there?
I mean, how incredible would that be if we found life on another planet? That's just completely revolutionary. It's mind-blowing.
How many exoplanets might there be?
What makes Earth so unique?
Was Mars a habitable environment?
These are all the kinds of questions that, when you're a little kid, you kind of think in bed.
Who are we? Are we alone? And where are we going?
And the more we move out, the more we'll discover.
The more we learn, the more fascinating they become.
Because as long as human beings are around, we are going to want to keep going out into that endless universe and find out what's there. And every time we make a new discovery, that bubble rises a little bit, and that thrill is always there.